These are the palace belongs to royal family. This was a palace where the Maharajas and everybody was living here. This was the three men king apartment, and these were the three queen. First, second, three floor. That was belongs to three queen. Maharaja Jaisal, who built the Jaisal. His name was Maharaja Jaisal, and Mer is Meru. We call Meru, it's hill. So Jaisal Maharaja who built the city, it's on the hill. Meaning Jaisal and Meru become together, it become Jaisal and Mer, become in one word. So Maharaja Jaisal who built this city on a hill. That is the meaning of it. That time they were living here. As we talk 150 years back, Maharaja go first and they build the palace outside the fort. Now its name of that palace is called Mandir Palace. 145-47 years back they start to build the house there. They're living there still now, family been living there. And then slowly people go out from the fort. Before that nobody was living outside the fort. Everybody was living here. 1957, that was a year, then they stopped to close the door. Otherwise 8:30 all the door being closed, nobody can come inside, nobody can go outside. All that fort gate been closed. After 1957 they stopped that thing. So now doors are open for 24 hours. You can see over there is a beautiful chair which is made with the white marble, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There are nice 7 steps. It's not the way to go up and get the chair. These were the chair of by caste. We had a 7 caste. People were living by caste systems. Brahman has to up, then warrior, then merchant, then everybody. Every caste have one level. So in the caste, who are the royal people or who are the older people, they can come and they can have chair here, and all the people's been sitting here. So these were the places with communication between royal family and the publics. Resma Sera was the movie when they built it here, and they did same things when they cut the buffalo. So that was in this temple, Gantiali temple, and in front of that was movie was done.
Oh, okay.
So these were the square where the Maharajas been sitting here. These are the part of the queen apartment. These are the places where the Maharaja. When the Maharajas coming in this balcony, they conversations with that balcony people talk to other people. So they were not directly go to front of people and talk to them. There are always the gap between them. Those buildings where you can see over there, in the last hand corner, that was a court. The court where two people fighting and they get solution there. The people who been judge, the place for judge. So that was a building belongs to a court. Little court in the fort, palace in the fort. There was a little school, very little school, where they just teaching them. Local people were teaching the children how to survive life, how to live with the life, how to fight with the life. Those were places. When you go down there is a little school. Ask the people, they will show you. You can carry on with me and see the house. You know the movie called Satyajit Roy, he built the Sonar Killa.
For that, for every Bengali who comes to Jaisalmer,
They want to know about
that is the only thing first they will ask.
For Satya Roy's place and movie called Sonar Killa. We are going to pass through the Dadawadi. Mukul was living in that house, which is destroyed now. They didn't protect it because it was in that period, it was damaged and everything. This was the second entry of that storeroom where we've been now. This is the second part where people are entering from there and they're coming out of this way. Annapurna Bhandar. An means food, Purna is the god Annapurna god, and Bhandar is the store. Very important thing about the desert. When you are in Jaisalmer, when you are in the Thar desert, very important things to know about the water. This is the well. This was a well. Still it's a well. Still there is a water. always near the water, near the oasis, near the well, near the river, near the any place to get the water. There is one stone like this. We call it Govardhan. So, when they build the, it's kind of holy things to build the well, build the oasis and everything. So, supposedly there is a well here or oasis here. Then from this place, you go east, west, north, south, any side between 15 to 25 kilometer. From this spot will be 20-25 kilometer this side, this side, this side, this side. There must be a source to get the water. Holy people, they have to choose which is the place they have to build it for water. Because they were thinking like people who start morning walk. Like if supposedly I left from this place, there is a little, always there is a water, there will be a people who living nearby. So the people living here, I spend the night here. Next morning if I have to go this way, then I have to start in the morning. In the evening I will go 25 kilometer, 30 kilometer. So I will be reach the place where there water. And same thing from here, when there is a water spot, there must be another east, west, north, south, there will be water place. So between 25 to 30 kilometer, always there is a water source. This is the importance of the water. So they were thinking like somebody who started in the morning, they put the boats to carry on. They can have not water on the way, but they reach the place where there is water in the night. So people, if I go from here to there, they people have to take care of me. I don't have to inform them. I reach there means I have to stay there, I have to have dinner there, I have to have breakfast there, and then I will jump. So this was the way they were having help each other. If supposedly somebody coming and he's been searching his cow, he's been searching his camel, he's been searching his goat and sheep and everything. So they don't have to inform anybody. There is a family, he can go there. There is a space. He don't go inside the house, but there is a special place, little space, corner of the family. He can go there, sit down there. Automatically, water will become. He will drink water. Automatically, chai will come. He will have chai and everything. Automatically, dinner will become. The older people in the house, he will come and get company with him and stay night together. So this is our culture. Any other questions? You've been in the desert. You guys, I don't think they
Not
been.
yet.
Okay. So if there's any questions you
Yeah,
want
the
to.
desert part, what's the name of the desert?
Thar. T-H.
Thar
Completely.
Completely it's a Thar?
Yeah.
Like
It's called
you-
Jhabia.
Jha-
The dunes called Jhabia.
Jhabia.
Jhabia is the place where the village is and everything. So the desert of that area is called Jhabia dunes.
And the palace is no longer used?
No, they're using it as a museum.
Museum.
Now they get little money from that. Oh yes, important thing, sorry. You know, when there is a rain come, they never water goes through in the street. All the roof water comes this way, you see. This is the conversation of water. They're taking the water through there. All the roof water come in one place, go this way, underground, and then there is a already big well. Supposedly there is no water in the river and anything, then people can have that water. It is a big storeroom of 4 people who are living here. So that is also an important thing. In the past, now we have everybody have the water system in the house. Every day water is coming and they don't care about that water. Now water is not that important as it has it's been already before.
Yeah.
Please. These are the god called Lakshmi Nath temple. We believe nothing will be happen till the God is here. No any problem. We will have never problems till these temples are here. They will protect us. They will care of us. The people who live here. We are the generation of Krishnas. We are the generation of Raghuvanshi. We are Raghuvanshi people, the people who are breed of Krishna. So the people who live here, they all belong to Krishna generation. The architect of the fort, you can see here. You know, when they build the house, this stone, which you can see, it kind of off. They lock all the walls here. Now we have, when we build the houses, we have RCC, you know. Okay, Now we build the houses. Now people build the houses. They make RCC frame. You know the iron frame. And they do a little while, then they make a frame of building, and they lock the building. Same thing in the past they were doing with the stone. They build the stone, that was building, and then they put the stone in like thick like this, and they put it here. There is a hall in that, and then they put the bronze, you know, bronze, petal. Petal ko bronze bolte hain na? Bronze rod. They put it inside. So they've been locked the building. So even biggest earthquake was in Gujarat, but there are little less earthquake was here, and that nothing happened. Nothing wrong happened. Here, tree, it's called peepal. That's the holy tree for us. But this tree is more than 800-year old. But it doesn't look like, because it's grown up on the hill. It's in the mountain. That's why they've been growing slowly. It doesn't grow like really big. Please. Monkey God, Ganesha temple, Shiva temple. Sorry, I didn't tell you. Oh, Mukul ki Wadi, which is been finished. But I can show you.
Yep.
Come quickly.
Yes.
One thing. This was the area where was using a Mukul ki Wadi. This building was together, so half of honor of this house, they rebuilt this place, and other one is empty. So it was belongs to two people, two brothers. So half is still in work. They have to build it. No. It was in Kolkata. They have a movie of Sonar Killa, which was moved here. Okay. So that was the house where the actor was.
Oh, right, I see. Okay.
Yeah. This is the new house. People build it, but thanks to God, they build little bit like old style. Little bit balconies are there. अरे आजकल की देखो ये बोले सीधा आटा पिज्जा सीधा हुआ दो खाना खाओ वहाँ These are beautiful. Original house, old house. End of October, November, December. These are the 3 months we have marriages here. So if you really would like to enjoy the Indian marriages, you are most welcome. Come here, you will be every day different party. We go for dinner for people and everything. So please come in that period and rejoin us for marriages. Mostly all the marriages are in that period.
Rajasthan marriage happened the day or night? Night.
No, actually, marriage always was happening in the day by our religion. But you know, when there was Mughal were strong, the Mughal were taking the women or girls. That's why they start to, our culture start to believe, get the marriages in the night. Because we live through it through the god, in front of the god. That's why marriages was happening in the day. But nowadays, yes, absolutely in the night, everywhere.
So it's still in the day.
Yeah, it's still in the day. I know it's in the day. Here you can see old architecture and new architecture. This building is new and this building is old. In the left side there is an old building, the right side there is a new building. So still the people are making little bit carving on this. See a beautiful carving. How nice done it. अरे साउंड जी पकड़ लो ओ साउंड जी एक दादी नींद आएगी ठीक है This was the old well, and you can see all the way in the end over there. There was ox who were taking the water, carrying the water from there. This was right and left, both sides there was a little well, little store place. Water is coming there and they've been stuck here. And the people were using this water, the people who lived here. So these are the marks in that time they were making the rocks, you know, carrying the water all the way there. So that was the source to get the water. They were using it. And this water being finished, then there is a river, the Gadisar Lake, outside the fort. People can go there and they have water. But also you can see here, these are the temple, little place, society place. And you know, houses were very small. It was not so big. So any tragedy happened in the house, people come in this society place, sit down here, all the people coming and meet them there. And then chalo from there. And also the same thing, when there is a marriage or anything, they've been come here, celebration here, and then they'll go. People conversation each other here, not in the houses, because houses are very small, like 5 meter by 7 meter, 7 meter by 10 meter. That's maximum size of the houses in the fort. So they were using this kind of place. There is a society place where they make the food and everything. So that's also in the fort. People being come together and they have dinners and everything.
You mentioned the courts before.
Yes.
Was there like a prison here? Or
Yes, there was a prison. Little prison in there, but also if there are people, you know, now we have a system. He can go for 10 days, he can go for 20 days, he can go for 1 year. But in the past, means kill them. They make them hanging till the death. So now, in the past, the rules were very strong and strict. Just chalo, like this. My name is Pradeep. I own the hostel, Pradeep Vyas.
Okay, nice to meet you, sir.
And what's your name?
Dhritiman Shah.
Pradeep.
Nice to meet you, and we get to know all the things about the fort and the street. Really enlightening for us.
I'm glad. And we are allowed to tell the people. If people are want to know about our culture, about our systems, about our religions, we love to explain about it. And feel like a family. You are part of our family. So be happy here, enjoy here. And as we talked before and after all the time, entering in the hostel, there is a tea spot. Whenever you want to have chai, coffee, you can come 24 hours anytime. And we ask for it. We will love to be here complete. Please, we are in hostel. Back. What's your name?
Ben. Ben.
Pain or Bain?
Ben.
Pradeep.
Pradeep. Nice to meet you, Pradeep. Thank you for the tour.
No, my pleasure. My
The Zostel.
Thank you, sir.
The Zostel is a fantastic place to stay.
Please. What's your name?
Marina.
Marina. Please. Slowly. I'm supply us food. So they don't want it to people, all the people. 70% population of Jaisalmer been living in the desert. They don't want them to come back in city and be that mess. So always they're trying to people stay there, people keep there, people farming there, people do agriculture, people do cattle's jobs and everything. So always government been help to people.
Which government? State or the central?
Yeah,
State
state government.
State.
And I think that's why people are living there. Otherwise it's
Preserve the culture.
absolutely culture, also providing food. If the farmers will not grow anything, how they will be alive? So it's helpful in their
I understand that part because I'm from a farm. I grew up
okay.
on a farm.
And questions was still in the desert, people survive, how they live life.
How many people are
In the fort, 3,700 people. 3? Yeah, here, yes.
this fort?
In this.
I think this is the only fort where
This
people
is
live
the
with
only fort of the world.
Yeah.
Not India, not Rajasthan, not Jaisalmer. Only fort in the
living
world
fort.
where the living people are living here. And lucky we are, we are brother and sister.
In fact, that it helps to preserve all these things and that culture, to preserve all this culture and heritage. It's good.
It is happening and it's going on. Reason because they are connected each other.
Yeah.
Your pen is my pen is her pen is her pen. You know, they are always together when there is a problem. So this is lucky we are. All family, all people, all relatives living together. Beautiful person. And these are our God. You know the first person, Nauzi, who we start. We put the statue here. That's the temple of him.
Okay.
We all are generation of this guy, Nauzi.
have to come in the morning.
Yeah, you have to come in the morning. That's the statue of Ganesha. It's not his statue, but this was the place where he was sitting here, always. This place is more than 867 years old. First place was this, they built it.
Well, mom,